section, because if you remember, few days back I launched one course that is on crude oil. That is the first part of commodity course, and this is the second video of commodity course. In the crude oil course, if you remember, I was telling you that I am planning to launch another course in commodities, that is on gold and silver, because gold and silver are also very popular commodities and most commonly traded commodity globally. So initially when I was preparing crude oil course, there was no plan as of when I will be launching gold and silver course, but I got so good response for my crude oil course, and that motivated me to immediately launch the second course on commodities, that is the gold and silver. When I launched the crude oil course, there are 10 strategies and all strategies based on day trading. But I got many responses saying that few students, they said they are into full-time job. For them, trading in market hours is difficult. So they said next time please even include swing trading strategies. So that is why in this course, I have total 10 strategies. Out of that, 6 strategies based on day trading. 2 strategies are related to scalping strategies, and remaining 2 strategies are swing trading strategies. And believe me, the swing trading strategy which I'm going to discuss in this video, you are going to learn one new concept and also very powerful concept for swing trading. All this will be discussed in this course. So now we'll jump into the next one, that is the content.
This course is sponsored by the Course Gallery website. गूगल पे आप लोग को सर्च करना है thecoursegallery.com. वर्ड्स के बीच में कोई भी डिस्टेंस नहीं रहेगा और स्पेलिंग सही सर्च करना है thecoursegallery.com. ये ओरिजिनल वेबसाइट ओपन हो चुका है. इस वेबसाइट पे आप लोग को हर टाइप के कोर्सेज बहुत ही चीप प्राइस में मिल जाएगा. मेनली हम 3 टाइप के कोर्सेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं: स्टॉक मार्केट, फॉरेक्स और डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्सेज. हम उन हज़ारों स्टूडेंट का हेल्प किए हैं जो ओरिजिनल प्राइस देकर कोर्सेज बाय नहीं कर सकते. कोई भी कोर्स अगर आपको नहीं मिल रहा होगा तो आप सर्च बार में कोर्स सर्च कर सकते हैं. आप लोग को वो कोर्स मिल जाएगा. अगर फिर भी वो कोर्स ना मिले तो आप हमें टेलीग्राम पर कोर्स रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. आप लोग को वो कोर्स का नेम हमारे टेलीग्राम आईडी पर सेंड कर देना है, जो भी कोर्स आपको चाहिए होगा. नीचे कॉन्टैक्ट अस टेलीग्राम का एक आइकन मिल रहा होगा, वहाँ पे आप हमें क्लिक करके टेलीग्राम पे आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप लोग को कोई भी कोर्स चाहिए होगा तो आप लोग को कोर्स पर क्लिक करना है. उसके बाद ऐड टू कार्ट करना है. फिर ऐड टू कार्ट करने के बाद चेकआउट पर क्लिक कर देना है. फिर आप लोग यहाँ पर अपना बिलिंग एड्रेस डालना है. जैसे मैं अपना फर्स्ट नेम रवि डाल देता हूँ. फिर आपको अपना जीमेल डालना है. जैसे मैं रवि शर्मा 534@gmail.com डाल देता हूँ. और जीमेल डालने के बाद अगर आप लोग के पास कोई कूपन कोड है तो आप लोग यहाँ पे सर्च टाइप कर सकते हैं. जैसे अभी सेव 10 कूपन कोड है, 10% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा आप लोग को. अगर आप लोगों को कोई दूसरा पेमेंट ऑप्शन चाहिए तो आप हमें टेलीग्राम पे मैसेज कर सकते हैं. नीचे जो आइकन दिख रहा होगा UPI QR पे करके आप लोग को एग्रीमेंट पे टिक करना है. फिर प्रोसीड टू पेमेंट कर देना है. फिर पेमेंट करने के बाद आप लोग अपना जीमेल चेक कर सकते हैं. थोड़ी देर में एक्सेस मिल जाएगा, या इंस्टेंट एक्सेस के लिए आप पेमेंट स्क्रीनशॉट हमारे टेलीग्राम आईडी पर सेंड कर सकते हैं.
Let us understand what all the contents are there in this course. Totally, I have made 2 sessions in this course. That is the session 1 and session 2. And there are few lessons in session 1, few lessons in session 2. Session 2 is mainly focused on strategies. Session 1 mainly based on foundation. That is the basics and foundation. So let us see what all I cover in the session 1. I'll start the session with introduction to commodity market. Same thing I discussed in my crude oil course also, but people who are directly purchasing this course, for them I have to just brief them about the basics, because many people must have only experienced trading in Nifty Bank Nifty, because commodity is different than Nifty Bank Nifty. You need to know a few things when you are trading in commodity. So that is why I made a brief presentation on introduction to commodity market. Next one is understanding gold and silver trading. So we'll discuss basics about the gold and silver, how to trade everything. Just basics, no strategies and all here. Then we'll discuss about the gold and its correlation with silver, Nifty and USD. See, this course is mainly gold and silver course, but you will see in entire course that I given more importance to gold. Okay, because gold is like a main, silver is like its twin brother. Whether you have to trade in gold and silver, then I always suggest that focus more on gold rather than silver. Okay, silver also will get very good opportunities, but gold moves much smoother than silver. So that I'll be discussing as we go forward. But you have to know what are the correlation with silver. So what is the gold and silver have a correlation? What is the correlation with Nifty? That means whether gold and Nifty moves in the same way or different way, or how it moves. How about the USD? Okay, because gold, you should know that gold is priced in USD. Okay, gold is a global commodity, so it is priced in US dollar. So that's why how US dollar and gold, whether gold and US dollar same moves in same way, going up or going down, or it goes in opposite, that I'll be discussing. Then I'll be discussing one important concept, that is the seasonality in gold and silver. How seasons affect the gold and silver prices. Then another thing in the same lesson I discuss time cycle in gold and silver. Few of you may be already aware of it, time cycle. I made an exclusive video on my YouTube channel about the time cycle. Okay, time cycle series. I made 2 videos on my YouTube channel, and I'm sure most of you must have already seen it. And also in my day trading and swing trading course, I have included this time cycle concept. So that's why in this course, I not discuss time cycle in too much deep. Rather, I discuss briefly about time cycle, and I'll discuss and how it is applicable in gold and silver. Then another important concept I'm going to discuss, that is the gold and silver ratio trading method. Many people may be first time hearing this gold silver ratio. Okay, this is one of the concept or a method which is used by many long term traders for deciding to time the gold and silver purchase. Okay, so this is a new concept you will understand in this course. Then I'll be discussing fundamental factors which can affect gold and silver. Okay, in crude oil also, if you remember, we discussed about the fundamentals which can affect. Here in gold and silver also, since it's a global commodity traded globally, so you need to know the fundamentals. Okay, what are the fundamentals important? That will be discussed in this lesson. Then we'll be discussing about the technical tools to trade in gold and silver. Okay, that means which are the technical tools which you should use when you are trading gold and silver, which technical tools can work better. All this will be discussed, and it will be discussed with along with the charts, so that you will understand much better. Then one new concept I'm going to discuss through this gold and silver trading course, that is the market structure and order block concept in gold and silver for swing traders. This market structure and order block concept, this I not discussed in detail in any of my other courses. Like if you know, I have many courses in my website, like day trading in Nifty Bank Nifty, day trading in stocks, options course, expiry day option selling course, right? I have so many courses in my website, but this concept, order block concept, I'll be discussing in detail in this video. But this order block concept only applicable in gold and silver, because gold and silver is a 23 hours market and it's a trending market. So that is why this concept is only applicable in gold and silver. And believe me, when I discuss along with the charts, you will see that how simple this strategy is. This is a pure price action strategy, and how nicely it can work on the charts. When you do the back testing, you will see that all these years, such a simple strategy, you have missed it. That you are going to feel when I discuss this concept. Okay, that is the order block concept. And here, no indicator, no pivot point, no CPR, nothing, only candlestick and order block. Okay, that is what this concept is very powerful. Totally, there are 10 strategies. But if you ask me that you want to focus only one concept, then I would say that if you focus on order block concept only, that itself is very powerful. Okay, that you will see it in very detailed way in today's course. Okay, after finishing the session 1, next we'll be coming to session 2. In the session 2, where we'll be discussing all our strategies. Okay, so I said total there are 10 strategies, and all 10 strategies will be discussed in session 2. In the session 2, we'll be starting with swing trading strategies. That is, the first one is long wicks entry strategy. So this is something new strategy which I'll be discussing here in the swing trading course. What is that long wicks entry strategy? And second one is order block retest entry strategy. As I said in the session 1, I'll be discussing one of the new concept, that is the order block. So concept will be discussed in detail in the first session, and the session 2 we'll be discussing about the strategy. That means for this order block concept, how you have to trade. Okay, that will be discussed in session 2. Then after swing trading strategy, we will be starting with the day trading strategy number 1. That is the Asian session breakout strategy. Remember, gold is a global commodity, right? It's traded globally. So that is why it goes through different sessions. Asian session, London session, London US overlap session, then US session. And again, next day, again, same. It starts with Asian session like that. Okay. So that's why some of the strategy you'll see that it is based on session wise strategy. Next strategy we'll be discussing previous day evening swing breakout strategy. Previous day evening mean for India evening. Okay. In India, unlike Nifty, Bank Nifty, gold and silver and commodities are mainly traded from 9 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. in the evening. This strategy will be mainly on the previous day evening swing breakout strategy. Next, I'll be discussing about the 3 EMA confluence breakout strategy. Okay, what are those 3 EMA? I'll be discussing here. And then I'll be discussing London US overlap session V reversal strategy. And after that, we'll be discussing about the CPR plus demand zone reversal strategy. Okay, this CPR reversal strategy we discussed in other courses also. But here, along with the CPR, you can also combine with the demand zone to take high probability. Okay, that will be slightly different than CPR reversal strategy that you will see here. Then we'll be discussing about the Asian session demand zone strategy. Okay, again, this strategy will be mainly on Asian session. Then we'll discussing about the barred candle entry strategy. Barred candle entry strategy is one of my most favorite strategy for scalping. Then the Asian session fake breakout strategy. So total there are 10 strategies. Some strategy must have repeated from my earlier courses, but most of the strategy you'll see in today's course is very new strategies, which is the beauty of this gold and silver trading course. And finally, we are concluding this course to discuss things to remember while trading gold and silver. Okay. Because here, unlike in our day trading course, swing trading course, where we have kept a session separately for risk management, trading psychology, and all this, right? Again, if I discuss risk management, trading psychology here, it will be again repetition for many people, right? Because I assume that most of you have already have basic knowledge about the risk management, trading psychology. Because I made many videos also in my YouTube channel on risk management, trading psychology, and it is applicable for all the instrument. Risk management, trading psychology, it is not only for day trading or swing trading or scalping, it's applicable everywhere. Strategy alone is not important in trading. Risk management and trading psychology also very important. So that's about introduction and the contents about this course on trading in gold and silver.